Ang ihi nila ba, pumapasok pala dyan sa gilid-gilid, oh. Doon, oh, kaya pala nangangamoy.
Yeah.
Ihi nila na, pag umiihi sila, kasi wala pala yung mga, wala pala yung mga, ano ba tawag na? Yung pangsiksik. Kaya umiihi sa loob. Kasi malalim yun, eh. Pala kahit anong papunas, mga nangangamoy ko din. Marcon, why you crying? What happened? What happened, Marcon? Is that Marcon or Marcon?
Yung pinanggalan ni Sarah ng may kuto yan dyan. Yung pinalagay ko dyan.
Oh. I'm falling in love. La 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 la. May tumubo, oh. Ano ito? God knows. Falling in love. La 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 la. What's the time in the Philippines right now? Marcos Olivera. Yes, already 9:30? Yeah, it's 9:30 here. What time in Brazil now? What time there, Teddy? Suspeto. Ah, 9:24 p.m. Ah, okay. It's too early, Teddy. It's too early, Teddy, to going bed, right? It's only 6:24 p.m. Too early. It's too early. What time, Teddy, you go in bed? F with F. Really? You're not old, Teddy. You're still young. You're still young. Number, age is only a number.
Yung ano pala sa kanto ngayon, paumpisa pa lang pala ng bayad niya ng travel.